What's going on, guys? Derek here with another quick video. Seeing episode number 3 of our F3 track bike build was primarily about air intake modifications. I figured this was a good time to do a quick video on how to replace the air filter in your stock F3. Over here, I have the air box on my F3 track bike. And over here, I have a second one that we're going to be just looking at to help explain this process. So if you have a stock-ish F3, to replace the air filter is relatively simple. I suggest removing the left side panel and the upper fairing. You'll need to do that because you need to remove the stock intake runner. There are 3 screws, one here, one down there, and then one buried in there that you'll need to remove. Again, if you have a stock bike, there'll probably be an attachment here that's attached here to your upper fairing stay. I'll show that to you on here. So here's that attachment point on the upper fairing stay or over here. So this will be installed like this, so to speak, and this portion here will be attached to here. So you'll need to remove those 4 bolts. All 3 of these are 4mm Allen. I don't know what this one will be, but you'll remove those. You'll slide this off. So here's your air box. It's facing the opposite way. So this would actually be the left side because this goes in here. So this will be the left side. So if you imagine this is on here, like so, you would unbolt these 3 bolts, slide this off, then you simply grab your air filter and slide it out. Take your new one, slide it back in, put your air intake runner back on the air box, bolt everything back down, put the fairings on. Really that simple. If you have anything other than a stock style air filter, like I just put on my bike, my track bike, this process won't work. You'll need to remove the tank. You'll need to disassemble the top half of your air box so that you can get to the air filter and then pull the air filter out. But if you have a stock air filter or stock styled air filter, I believe Sprint makes an air filter shaped like this and maybe a few others that are on the performance side. But if you have one of these, they slide in and out. I suggest the sliding out from the left side because I think it's easier. I think there's a lot more on the throttle side that you need to get out of the way, but it would slide out the right side as well. So it doesn't make any difference which side you do. I suggest the left, but that's how you replace the air filter. Simply remove one side of the intake runners. You'll need to take off the fairing and the upper fairing stay to do that. Grab it with 2 fingers, slide the air filter out, grab the new one, slide the other one in, bolt everything back on. That's it, guys. Super simple.